alcohol ink for this. I got mine from Amazon. I'll link the product in description. So the product comes in various shades. The one which I bought has 3 shades, that is denim, lavender and teal. Along with colored alcohol ink, you might also want a shimmery shade, so you can get a shade of gold, silver or rose gold. Here I have bought a gold. Along with this, you will also need an additional alcohol which will be used to dilute the alcohol ink or spread it on the canvas. Here I am using a dropper to use the alcohol. While doing alcohol ink art, you cannot use any kind of paper which absorbs water. So here we are using a Yoko sheet which is a bit water resistant, so you can easily work with alcohol ink on this. So I am starting with a single drop of alcohol ink and I am adding few drops of additional alcohol. And then you can spread the alcohol ink on the sheet by using a straw or a blower. Keep adding color so that you cover the entire sheet. You can keep adding alcohol as the ink dries. It will help to dilute the alcohol and you can spread it further. This will create layers, and it's always better to work in layers as it makes it look better. using Fevicol. This video helpful. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.